In this video, I'm going to show you how to potentially identify market tops. And I'm also going to show you how to set up your charts nice, clean, and organized like this. No indicators at all, so that you can nail the exact high before any sell-off using a simple retracement strategy. All right, let's do it. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. Hope your new year is starting off very well. And you know this market's been on fire, right? We're only, 10 days in to the new year, and it feels like almost every single day we had this year, and there's only been 10 of them so far, has been a crazy volatile day, right? You know it and I know it. 2020 is going to be great for trading. All right, now I got a real treat for you here in this video. Okay, I'm going to show you the trading robot in action on a live trade from Friday's session, nailing the exact high before the sell-off. Okay, and you're going to see the power and the effectiveness of a simple retracement based strategy with the added boost of having a trading robot do the work for you, right? So Friday was awesome, by the way, man. I mean, if you guys were trading, those of you guys that were trading January 10th, it was just beautiful, right? The Dow tagged 29,000 and it sold off on a dime. And the signals on the dyno charts were gorgeous, right? Like here's the sell signal, the very first one of the day. Draw the high, draw the low. You tell me, you see a retracement anywhere? Sure you do. How about the long signal, right? Draw the high, draw the low. Any retracements? Yes, that's obvious. And I get asked this question a lot, right? What do you do? How do you take the retracement? And I understand that trading's overwhelming. Trading can be intimidating, and especially when you're trading futures and Forex, man, these markets move really fast, right? So let me answer this question for you here. What do you do when you get a sell signal, right? Well, step one, draw the zone. Nothing new there, right? The smart money zone. This is where all the smart money's waiting to sell. Whenever you get a sell signal, it doesn't mean that you rush in and randomly go short, but you certainly got to be on the lookout for potential selling short opportunities. Just like you would on this green signal, you'd be looking for potential buying opportunities, right? This ability here to forecast potential turning points on your chart, that's going to make the night and day difference in your trading on day one. Okay, let's get back to the question. What do you do here? Well, number one, you got to have your smaller time frame chart at the ready, right? You can't be fussing around and opening up a second chart, a smaller micro chart, whenever the signal prints, right? You got to have both of them ready. And you can see here, I've got the T-bar chart, which is the smaller time frame chart, okay? And this stripe here represents this red dyno bar, right? Now you're on the alert, but now you also got to draw the zone, right? That's the other mission critical part about drawing any objects on your chart. You got to be prepared to do it very quickly, right? So here's the high, here's the low. We want to go ahead and draw that manually inside our T-bar chart. So here you go. Here's the high. Here is the low. Perfect, right? This is now the retracement zone, right? You've heard me mention this 100,000 times. I'm going to keep saying it. If you're not paying attention to this retracement zone right here, then you're missing what the smart money's doing. You're basically trading with the losing traders, the goofy traders, just generally people that can't figure it out, who are trying to look for areas outside of this zone, right? This zone means something. It's valuable to you, right? So now let's get to the good stuff, guys. All right, this is what I was chomping at the bit to show you, the trading robot in action. Okay, so once you've identified this chart, now it's go time. All right, let's go ahead and fire up the trading robot. All right, so once you've identified the retracement zone and you are laser focused to take these trades, I'm going to show you how to load up the robot. All right, all you got to do here is click on strategies. NinjaTrader makes it so easy. Click on where you find bot trader trendline shorts. Okay, obviously because we're looking for shorts here. And then all you have to do is right over here, customize your settings for the bot, right? And then to turn it on, it's so simple. Right here where it says enabled, simply check the box and hit OK. boom, your trading lobot is now live. And I know the very first time you load it up, it's scary as shit. It really is. But it's also exhilarating when you let the trading robot do the heavy work for you. Because in this area, you're essentially looking for trend lines to be drawn in this fashion, right? You're looking for these type of trend lines, and you're looking for price to smash to the, you can just see that. Did you guys see that? Oh, whoops. Hope I didn't just talk over the good stuff, all right? Did you hear that? I hope you heard the lady's voice. If you didn't, rewind this a few seconds and you'll hear the lady's voice of the trading robot actually take that trade for you. Let me just recap for you what just happened, right? You launched the bot and you're waiting for trend lines to be drawn. The bot did that for you. You're now waiting for this trend line to be penetrated to the downside. It did. And now is when you want to go short. And the bot also did that for you. How do you know that? Because on NinjaTrader, your open positions are signaled with this orange line here. Your stop is signaled with this pink line here. And your break-even target is the blue line here. Is that making sense, right? Nothing super complicated about this, right, guys? Easy. Overwhelming? Yes, maybe a little bit, but easy for the most part. And here's the other cool part. Okay. Oh, crap. Did I just talk over the good part again? I got to stop doing that. Can you see what just happened there? It just filled and hit your break-even target. Did you see how that blue line now disappeared? So the bot has now basically got you to break even. This is a free trade for you. Whatever happens, even if the stop gets hit, this is a free trade for you, right? So can you guys see what just happened here, right? This having a robot do all the heavy lifting for you, in my opinion, okay, and this is just me, it takes the anxiety out of trading, right? And what's going to happen, right, as long as the bot is deployed, the trend lines are going to be drawn all day long, but the bot's not going to take any more positions because the bot is aware that you already have an open position here, right? We went short this market, the bot hit our first target, and it adjusted our stop. So now we have an open trade here, we have a free trade, and this trade may drop like a stone, and we're going to be raking in the profits, or we may get stopped out. What I am telling you is it doesn't matter because this is a free trade, right? That's where you and every one of your trades should try to be. There is nothing more satisfying than having a free trade open, right? So anyway, the trend lines are going to be drawn all day, but the bot's not going to take any more trades because it's aware that you have an open position on, right? So basically, if we see how this trade plays out, I guess, this ends up being, you know, a really nice short trade, right? Look at this thing just drop like a stone, right? So let me just go ahead and squish this in here so we can kind of see exactly the big picture, okay? We got into this short trade all the way over here. Our stop, which never got hit, by the way, you can see the stop is still there, never got touched, right? And this thing ends up running for what appears to be a pretty big winner, right? So everything that I just described for you in the retracement zone, this box here, all the price action that took place in this retracement zone, right? Everything over there happened in this section right over here on our dyno bar. And you can see how this trade just dropped like a stone, and we were short all the way over here. Let the other morons try to figure out longs and shorts over here and over here. You know people are playing that game, right? You know people are trying to buy this market, short this market, whatever they're trying to do, they're too late, right? The smart money trade happened all the way up here. Okay, guys, so listen, this is what a perfect trade setup looked like, guys. This is what it's like to have the bot do all of the heavy lifting for you. I freaking love it. I know many of you will as well. There is nothing overwhelming or intimidating about a bot. I know that it seems that way. I can promise you it's not. All right, so listen guys, I'm going to wrap up this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gleaned some important pieces of information here about your trading strategies, and whatever you do guys, always trade in the direction of the trend. It'll never steer you wrong. All right, if you want some more details on the bot trader or how to get started with this, get in touch. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.